Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 21st, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the pound dollar, we turned pretty nicely at the 78%, and because I've been forecasting this as a regular flat, which I would be targeting this 100% Fibonacci extension if that is the case, I'm looking at this as possibly another lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and now it may actually, on the daily time frame over the next several days, work its way down to make another lower low, making its way down towards that target. So, anyways, taking that down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we got our Fibonacci retracement on this move right here because even if it is going to just keep on going down, these Fibonacci levels are probably going to be areas of support along the way. Now, if it goes down to a Fib level, makes like a very significant double bottom, and then turns up very strong, then I definitely would stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs at that point. But it's probably more likely that it's actually going to go down, make a lower high, bounce, lower highs, bounce, lower highs. Hopefully, it just continues to make lower lows, lower highs on this time frame, because that would give us an opportunity to go short at the end of every single one of these pullbacks, potentially for the continuation of the daily time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.